Welcome to the Face and Body Wisdom Wellness Emporium. Not a clinic, not a retreat, not a spa, not a wellness center like anything you've ever experienced. This is a sanctuary, a living, breathing ecosystem, a place where modern science meets ancient wisdom, a place where the body isn't just treated, it's remembered, repaired, rebuilt, and reborn. Step inside. The moment you enter, your breath deepens, your shoulders drop, your nervous system resets. To your left, the apothecary. Walls of herbs, tinctures, oils, minerals, lotions, and potions, all hand-blended, organic, clean, pure. Remedies redesigned for realignment, energy, immune support, pain release, and cellular reset. To your right, the sound sanctuary. A vaulted chamber for sound recalibration, voice therapy, sound healing, frequency alignment, where the nervous system remembers how to breathe again. Straight ahead is the body wisdom chambers, hands-on work, deep realignment, nervous system resets, structural realignment. Walking compressed, tight, and stuck, walk out free. Open, light, clear, and realigned. Step into the atrium. Sunlight, flowering waters, living walls of green, mastermind spaces, meditation nooks, journaling corners, fire, water, air, earth, all present, balanced, alive. Upstairs, movement studios. Yoga, Pilates, functional strength, body wisdom, primal movement, breathwork, dance, qigong. Outside, hydrotherapy gardens, saunas, cold plunges, salt caves, steam domes, mineral soaks. The labyrinth, the walking trails, the herbal gardens. The Nourishment Cafe. Organic, wild crafted meals, raw juices, bone broth, herbal elixirs. Food that doesn't just taste good, food that heals. And then you notice the doorway. A sign above it reads, "Be you unleashed." Have you ever wondered what happens when you become the driver of this magnificent machine? When you stop outsourcing your health, your energy, your power, when you remember how to drive your body. Be you unleashed, the hands-on, full body, full mind, full spirit reset. A walkthrough of your own system, the structure, the nervous system, the energy, the voice, the posture, the movements. A full reset, a full remembering, a full return to yourself. This isn't wellness. This is remembering. This is the reset. This is the rise. This is Rijooviness.